First, boil the pasta for 8 to 10 minutes. When it is half cooked, add oil to the pasta stew. Then wait a few minutes until the desired maturity of the pasta. After that, we drain the pasta water. Then, continue sauteing using margarine. Add the chopped garlic. Cook until fragrant. Then, add the sliced onion and sauces. After the sauce is cooked, add enough instant carbonara sauce and stir until well mixed. Then, add the pasta and stir until well mixed. After that, add flavoring and pepper. Stir until well mixed. And then, plating the finished pasta.